Hello everyone. Hope you are having a great day. Today, let's speak English like this for just 7 days. And you will notice the difference instantly. Please repeat these sentences without pausing and watch till the end. These small sentences will make you sound fluent instantly. Without wasting much time, let's start now. I wake up feeling refreshed and focused. I wake up feeling refreshed and focused. I start my day with a clear plan in mind. I start my day with a clear plan in mind. I allocate time efficiently for my tasks. I allocate time efficiently for my tasks. I prioritize my responsibilities carefully. I prioritize my responsibilities carefully. I engage in productive activities throughout the day. I engage in productive activities throughout the day. I start my day with a cup of coffee to stay energized. I start my day with a cup of coffee to stay energized. I engage in a brief workout to stay active. I engage in a brief workout to stay active. I prepare myself for the day ahead. I prepare myself for the day ahead. I head to work to begin my daily responsibilities. I head to work to begin my daily responsibilities. I take short breaks to maintain focus. I take short breaks to maintain focus. I continuously work on enhancing my skills. I continuously work on enhancing my skills. I take a break to have lunch. I take a break to have lunch. I head back home after completing my work. I head back home after completing my work. I take some time to unwind and recharge. I take some time to unwind and recharge. I spend quality time with my family. I spend quality time with my family. I have dinner and reflect on my day. I have dinner and reflect on my day. I go to bed to ensure adequate rest. I go to bed to ensure adequate rest. I aim to get a good night's sleep. I aim to get a good night's sleep. Thank you for giving me your time. I promise this will be worth it.